Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna pie updated. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F and gather canned tuna, pie crust, eggs, milk, cheese, and seasonings. Drain tuna well and flake it into a bowl. Whisk eggs and milk, then stir in tuna, cheese, and herbs. Fill crust, cover or top as desired, and bake until golden and set. Cool slightly before slicing so the filling firms and serves clean slices. Create a silky filling by whisking eggs with milk until smooth and slightly frothy. Gently fold in flaked tuna, grated cheese, and chopped herbs so textures stay distinct. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon for balance. Avoid overmixing to keep bites of tuna noticeable and avoid rubbery custard. Transfer filling to the prepared crust and level it gently before baking to ensure even set. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing recipes and tips. Quick recommendation. The Owala water bottle is great for keeping you hydrated while you cook, fits cup holders, and has a handy spout for quick sips between steps. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one for your kitchen routine. Now let's get back to the video. Bake the assembled pie until the crust is golden and the center is set, about 30 to 45 minutes depending on depth. A quick thermometer check around 165 degrees F ensures the custard is cooked through, but still tender. Let the pie rest at least 10 minutes to firm up and make slicing easier. Serve warm with a crisp salad or steamed vegetables to round out the meal and enjoy comforting flavors together.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.